Imagine this, a normal day, people walking, cameras rolling, and then the ground moves. Not slowly, not gently, but violently. In the next few minutes, you'll witness unbelievable movements caught on camera, buildings bending, collapsing, and in some cases, vanishing in seconds. These aren't movie scenes. These are real moments that remind us how fragile human structures really are. And trust me, number 7 will change how you look at skyscrapers forever. Across the United States and around the world, some of the deadliest building destructions didn't happen during wars, but during moments no one expected. Earthquakes, structural failures, sinkholes, and controlled demolitions gone wrong. Cameras were rolling, and history was recorded. Quick question before we begin. Have you ever trusted a building simply because it looked strong? Yeah, so did everyone in these videos. 1. The skyscraper that swayed like a metronome. In this first clip, a high-rise building moves side to side during a powerful earthquake, not collapsing, but swaying like a giant breathing organism. Engineers say it, designed to do that. Comforting, right? Except the people inside thought it was the end. Floors tilted, lights swung, and screams filled the hallways. This movement saved the building but terrified everyone inside, and it sets the tone for what's coming next. If controlled movement can save lives, uncontrolled movement can erase them. And the next moment proves just how fast stability can turn into disaster. 2. The parking garage pancake collapse. Caught on a security camera, a multi-story parking garage suddenly collapses straight down floor by floor like a stack of cards. No warning, no explosion, just gravity doing its worst. Experts later blamed structural miscalculation. 1 second cars were parked, the next they were buried. And here's the scary part. This happened in under 10 seconds. So next time someone says, "It's probably fine," maybe double check or park outside. 3. The sinkhole that ate a building. This footage still shocks geologists. A massive sinkhole opens beneath a commercial building, pulling it downward as if the earth itself decided to reclaim it. Walls crack, the foundation disappears, and the building slowly tilts before being swallowed. No explosion, no fire, just silent, unstoppable movement. And what caused it? Natural erosion, happening right under people's feet. But what happens when destruction is intentional and still goes horribly wrong? That's where things get truly unbelievable. 4. Demolition gone wrong. This was supposed to be a clean, controlled demolition. Instead, the building fell in the wrong direction, toward nearby structures and streets. Cameras caught shockwaves, flying debris, and people running. Engineers later admitted one miscalculation changed everything. It's a reminder that even planned destruction can turn deadly in seconds. 5. The apartment building that split in half. During a severe earthquake, an apartment building literally tears down the middle. One side remains standing, the other collapses. Residents on the intact side survived, while their neighbors didn't. This footage is haunting because it shows how thin the line is between survival and tragedy. Emotional reset question. How do you explain surviving when the wall next to you did? 6. The bridge building collapse combo. In this clip, a nearby bridge collapses first, triggering vibrations that weaken an adjacent building. Moments later, the building gives in. Engineers call this cascading structural failure. Normal people call it terrifying. It's a chain reaction caught on camera, and once it starts, there's no stopping it. And now, the most disturbing movement ever caught on camera. This one left experts speechless. 7. The building that folded like paper. This high-rise didn't topple. It folded inward on itself during a sudden foundation failure. Floors bent, columns snapped, and the entire structure collapsed vertically, leaving almost no debris footprint. The movement was so fast, people nearby didn't even realize what they were seeing until it was over. This footage is now studied in engineering schools across the US. These moments aren't just shocking, they're lessons written in concrete and steel. They show us that buildings don't just fail, they move, react, and sometimes betray our trust. Cameras give us the truth, raw, terrifying, and unforgettable. If these unbelievable movements left you stunned, you're not ready for what comes next. Click on my next video, Top 10 Unbelievable Moments Caught on Camera, 2025 edition, where reality gets even more shocking. Because once you see the world through these cameras, you'll never see safety the same way again.